In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add headers and footers to PDFs in Adobe Acrobat. If you need consistent page titles, dates, or page numbers across a document, this built-in tool makes it quick and precise. First, launch Adobe Acrobat with the PDF you want to modify open on your screen. At the very top, open the Edit menu. From there, choose Header and Footer. This is the dedicated workspace for placing text at the top and bottom edges of every page. Click Add. Acrobat opens the header and footer dialog, which includes a preview and fields for the left, center, and right areas of the page. To get started quickly, click Header to insert a sample header. Acrobat will drop in placeholder text so you can see where the content will sit relative to the page edge. This is simply a starting point. You'll customize it in a moment to match your document style. Next, click Footer to insert a sample footer. Again, you'll see placeholders appear in the lower area. This is a great place for page numbers or a short reference line. If you prefer centered numbering, place it in the middle field. If you want it flush with a margin, use the left or right field. Now edit the inputted header and footer so they look exactly the way you want. Replace the placeholder text with your own content, then adjust the font, size, and color to fit your branding or readability needs. Use the alignment controls to position text in the left, center, or right cells, and fine-tune the top and bottom margins so the text sits comfortably away from the page edge and doesn't overlap existing content. Many versions of Acrobat also provide quick inserts for elements like page numbers or dates. Use these to keep formatting consistent across the entire file. Before you apply the changes, glance at the preview to confirm placement and, if needed, limit the scope using the page range settings so the header or footer appears only where it belongs, such as excluding a cover page. When everything looks good, click OK. Acrobat applies the header and footer to your pages in one pass, saving you from manual edits on each page. That's it. You've added polished headers and footers to your PDF using Adobe Acrobat. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to standardize a document.